Today I'll talk about manpower requirement. This is my one of the series of lectures on blood banking. I will discuss qualification and experience of manpower required for a blood bank, duties and responsibilities of manpower, staffing pattern requirement, and other HR activities. So first let us see what are the qualifications and experience requirement of blood bank staff. So in blood bank we need a medical director or in charge blood bank or medical officer. And initially, the number recommended was at least one medical personnel, but now recommendations have changed. I'll talk about it a little later. The qualifications of a medical director or in charge or a medical officer is the doctor should be at least MBBS with 12 months experience or MBBS with diploma in clinical pathology with 12 months experience or MBBS with diploma in transfusion medicine with 3 months experience or post graduation in pathology with 3 months experience or postgraduate degree in transfusion medicine. No experience is required for that. And in case of all blood centers in medical colleges or teaching institute, the in charge shall be either postgraduate in transfusion medicine or in pathology. Then we need a technical supervisor. This is specially show for where blood components are manufactured or prepared. Qualification is diploma in medical laboratory technology or transfusion medicine or blood bank technology with 12 months experience or degree in medical laboratory technology or blood bank technology with 6 months experience or BSc in hematology and transfusion medicine, MSc in transfusion medicine, postgraduate diploma in MLT, postgraduate diploma in transfusion technology. For these, we require 6 months of experience to be a technical supervisor. Then blood center technicians, the qualification is diploma in medical laboratory technology or transfusion medicine with 12 months experience, degree in medical laboratory technology, PSc in hematology and transfusion medicine, MSc in transfusion medicine, postgraduate diploma in medical laboratory technology. All these with 6 months of experience. Then we need registered nurses, and the nurses should be registered with either state or central nursing council. We need counselor, which may be the person may be whole or part time. The qualification for counselor are master's degree in social work, sociology, psychology with 6 months experience, degree in science or health science with 1 year experience, a person with 10 plus 2 education with 3 years of experience. We need quality manager in all blood centers collecting more than 10,000 units per year. Quality manager can be either a medical officer or a senior technician trained in quality management. Now let us see what are the duties and responsibilities of blood bank staff. The job description and specifications should be clearly recorded and laid down for all staff members of a blood bank. The responsibilities of the blood center medical director, in charge, or medical officer shall include responsibilities related to professional activities, scientific activities, consultative activities, advisory activities, organizational skill, administrative and educational matters. Then quality manager shall have the responsibility and authority to oversee compliance with the requirement of the quality management system. The quality manager shall report on the performance of the quality management system directly to the top management because top management decides on blood center policy and resources. So quality management manager is under the top management. Then technical manager shall have overall responsibility of the blood center operations and the provision of resources needed to ensure the required quality of blood center procedures. In blood center collecting less than 5,000 units per year, the same person can be designated as technical and quality manager. And let us see the number of staff required. So, an expert working group for manpower norms for blood bank and blood transfusion services has been constituted under the aegis of National Blood Transfusion Council India in the year 2017. It reviewed the then existing norms and recommended the revision of the norms. And I have reproduced the norms as it is from the publication. So for whole blood 24-hour operations and issue, staff required is, let us say, for a workload of up to 10,000 units per year. We require medical officer in charge or medical personnel, 3 in number, counselor or medical social worker, 2 in number. We require 2 registered nurses. We required 8 blood center technicians, and we required 2 attendants or housekeeping staff. For outdoor camps, we require additional staff as follows: medical personnel 1, counselor or medical social worker 2, 2 registered nurses, blood center technician 3, and 2 attendants. For component preparation, we require additional staff, and let us say for workload of 10,000 units per year, we require a technical supervisor, 1 in number, blood center technician 2, lab attendant, housekeeping staff 1. For apheresis, we require additional staff as medical personnel 1, nurse or technologist 1. Now let us see in general what are the HR activities in blood bank management. All personnel shall have training specific to blood center operations and quality management system. The training record should be maintained, updated, and reviewed regularly. There shall be a continuing education program for staff at all levels. All the staff be encouraged to participate in continued medical education program at regular intervals. The employee shall be trained to prevent, contain, and report adverse incidents. Blood center employees shall be trained in other regulatory and safety issues of blood center like biomedical waste management, fire safety, etc. Competency test of all technical staff may be conducted annually in terms of written, oral, or practical test to ensure the reliability of their performance. Retraining and reassessment shall be undertaken when necessary. A pre-employment medical examination and regular health checkup shall be conducted on all the employees as per institutional policy. Occupational health hazards shall be adequately addressed. All staff members shall be vaccinated for the hepatitis B vaccine. The blood center management shall maintain records of the personal information, relevant educational and professional qualification information, training, experience, and competence information, personal health information, and records of immunization status of all personnel. And the information should be readily available to relevant personnel and may include certificate or license, reference from previous employment, job description, record of continuing education and achievements, provision of untoward incidents and accident reports, record of identification of signature and initials, competency evaluation, grievance redressal record, pre-employment health checkup record, and yearly health checkup records. So this is all for today. Thank you very much.